Follow along, and by the end of this video, you will be able to achieve 3 easy but super cool pen spins in under 5 minutes. But you gotta focus. Number 1, the wizard. Whip this one out in public and bystanders will think you're a wizard. The first thing you're going to want to do is grab your unclicked pen or unsharp pencil close to the tip between the thumb and the index finger. Hold it firmly but not too firmly. To get used to how tight you want to hold the pen or pencil, allow the pen or pencil to fall down and then bring it back up. Hold it just tight enough so it goes down and up smoothly without falling out of your grip. Now you're going to allow the pen to fall back down, but this time bring it in a circular motion first towards the index finger, around to the front and let it fall down. Now follow that circle around in a motion as if you were drawing a circle on a sheet of paper, back around towards the palm, and then as the pen or the pencil comes to the front again, you bring it back up. I find it easy to practice this just one at a time until you're comfortable, and then to get continuous wizards, all you need to do is continue that momentum through into multiple reps. Adjust your grip accordingly, make it look smooth. You just achieved the wizard. Number 2, the TWhirl. One of the most original pen spins going back centuries. This ancient technique is also one of the easiest to learn. To do the TWhirl, you want to grasp your unclicked pen or unsharp pencil between your index and middle finger, like so. Grasp it firmly enough so it does not slip out, but not too firmly to where if you bring your hand side to side, the pen or pencil will go side to side. So work on moving your hand side to side and allow the pen or pencil to move side to side to get a feel for this. If you are confused, the easiest way to learn this is grab the part of the pen or pencil above your knuckles and bring it in a circular motion. Follow this with your wrist. Then release the hand from the top of the pen or pencil, but continue the circular motion with your wrist. Make sure the grip of the pen or pencil between the index and middle finger is light enough to allow the pencil to move, but not too light to where the pen or pencil falls out. With just a little practice, you'll notice you'll be able to get the pen or pencil to go in a circular motion without so much exaggeration of the wrist, using more of just the fingers. Bonus hack. Something you can do to help with the grip of the pen or pencil is apply some electrical or hockey tape around the pinching zone, like so. Work on it, make it smooth. Congratulations, you have achieved the TWhirl. Before we move on to number 3, stay tuned because after number 3, I have a really cool bonus that goes along with number 3. So number 3, the super flick. The super flick is a super trick that can be learned very easily. All this move really is tossing the pen or pencil in the air, allowing it to spin, and then catching it again. However, you can make the pen or pencil spin much faster than a normal toss in the air if you add a little flick. The flick comes from the flick of the wrist and also the flick of the pen or pencil off the flap of skin between your thumb and index finger. A similar flick we use to achieve more advanced moves such as the Sonic, which makes learning the super flick highly beneficial for learning more advanced moves later down the road. So hold your pen or pencil between your index and middle finger, place the butt end of the pen or pencil right on top of the flap of skin between the thumb and index finger, flick your wrist up, and allow the unclicked or unsharp pencil to spin, and then catch it easily. You don't have to be aggressive at first with this, you can start with simple 180s or 360s, or just easy spins. As you practice this, you will get more confident and more controlled, and you can add more of a flick off the flap of skin and with the wrist. Now it really doesn't matter how you catch this back in the hand, however it looks the coolest if you can catch a super flicked pen or pencil back in its original position in which you started the super flick. The super flick has been known to add a nice little spank to any other spin such as the Sonic or thumb around, making a bold statement to any witness, even going as far as preventing an escalating argument resulting in an unwarranted duel in a pen spinning arena. Now the bonus you have all been waiting for. The super flick ghost. Essentially this is just a very fast super flick, but after the flick, you bring your arm back to your body as the unclicked pen or unsharp pencil flies freely in the air. Then just in time with absolute precision, you reach back and grab the pen or pencil. Now this takes a little bit of trial and error but looks super cool. If you're not wearing glasses already, you might want to wear some safety glasses for this one. Work on it, make it smooth. The Super Flick Ghost. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn those notifications on if you want to learn more skills. Remember, practice responsibly. Peace. I hope you all have a great day. I will see you all in the next video.